In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Freshdesk, whether it's just for your own replies or for your entire team. Having a signature in your emails can enhance professionalism and brand consistency. It personalizes your communication and makes it easy for your clients or contacts to know who they are corresponding with. We're going to look at two methods: setting up a personal email signature and creating a global or branded signature. Let's begin by talking about how you can add your personal email signature, also known as the agent-level signature. This is particularly helpful if you'd like your personal signature to automatically appear whenever you reply to a ticket. First, go to the top right corner of your Freshdesk dashboard. You'll see either your avatar or your initials. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile Settings. Once you're inside the profile settings, look for the field labeled Signature. This is where you can enter the text for your personal signature. Keep in mind that Freshdesk supports rich text formatting here, so you can get creative with fonts, colors, or even insert emoticons if that's your style. Moreover, if you have images that you'd like to include as part of showcasing your brand visually, those are supported via URL. Once you've crafted a signature that fits your needs, don't forget the crucial final step: save your changes. With your new information saved, this signature will automatically be appended every time you respond to a ticket in Freshdesk. Now, let's move on to setting up a global or branded signature, which is more suitable for administrators. This kind of signature is particularly useful for creating a cohesive brand identity across all agents' communications. To start, navigate to the Admin section from your Freshdesk interface. Within the Admin menu, find and select the Workflows option, and from there, opt for Email Notifications. This will lead you to a new screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Templates. Once inside, look for the Agent Reply template and click Edit beside it. This is where you will add your signature content. The beauty of this platform is that it allows you to switch to HTML mode here, which is immensely helpful if you want to incorporate advanced formatting or branding elements like a company logo or a custom-designed banner. After inputting or updating your signature, make sure you save your changes. From now on, this signature will seamlessly appear in all agent replies, thus ensuring a unified look that aligns with your company's branding efforts. In summary, Freshdesk offers flexible options for email signatures that cater to both individual agents and entire teams. By following these steps, you can ensure that your communication is consistent, professional, and fully branded, adding that extra touch of professionalism to each interaction.